Hello there and welcome to another one of these Lexical Lab 1 minute English videos. If you like this video, make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel and check out our website www.lexicallab.com to find out more about the online courses we offer. In class this morning, one of my students announced the fact that it was her birthday this weekend and that she was going to be turning 30. Everybody congratulated her and wished her happy birthday, and she then revealed that she was a bit nervous about reaching the big 3-0. She said she felt that this was the end of her youth, that it was all downhill from here on in. I said, well, I'm afraid that's just the way it goes. 1 minute you're the youngest speaker at a particular conference. The next minute, before you know it, you're an old hand who's been around the block countless times. It just creeps up on you. If you say that something creeps up on you, it moves slowly and carefully towards you. It approaches you slowly and carefully in such a way that it avoids being seen or being noticed. A bit like a fox might creep up on a chicken before pouncing and eating it. It can be used literally. So you might creep up on an enemy position and launch a surprise attack. But it's often used metaphorically to talk about time. So, age slowly creeps up on you. Illness also creeps up on you. You don't think you're ill at all. You think you're doing fine. Oh, excuse me. Excuse me. Sorry, that was perfectly timed to tie in with the comment about illness. You think you're doing fine, but suddenly you find that you've got all these aches and pains in your body. The ailments and the illnesses and the aches and the pains creep up on you and attack you when you're not expecting them to. Maybe if you're working on a book or a project or a piece of writing, the deadline creeps up on you when you're not expecting it to. Some of you have maybe found that the desire to have children creeps up on you. Maybe you didn't feel that desire at all in your 20s or early 30s. You hit 34, 35 and that feeling creeps up on you. And maybe those of you, for example, who've lost a parent, you'll find that memories creep up on you. You think you've gone through the grieving process, but then memories of your parents and your own childhood creep up on you when you're least expecting them to. If you've enjoyed this video, and you haven't caught anything from me sneezing at you, please do click the like button. Please share it on social media with your friends, your students, your colleagues, and in the comments section below, we'd love to see examples of how you might use creep up on.